Hi, so let's look at this question here, which was taken from the year 2019 paper on question 9. This is the actual A-level paper. So you're told to actually express y plus 1. Okay, so you're told that w could be expressed as cosine theta plus I sine theta. Okay, so for part IA, you're told to show that w plus 1 over I is a real number. Okay, there are a few ways of doing this. So the first thing is you could actually just let w equals to ei theta. Okay, because the modulus of w here is 1. Okay, so you could tell that this is 1 because of this whole thing here, which is 1. So I'm just going to leave this as 1 first. That's the most important part. Then after which we're just going to let w plus I show that. So I'm going to start off with by changing this to exponential form because it's easier for me. So I'm just going to leave it as ei theta, 1 over ei theta. Okay, so once this is done, what I'm going to do is actually just going to put ei theta here plus e minus I theta, and then I'll change to the Cartesian form. Okay, Cartesian by using the trigo form first. So this is cosine theta plus I sine theta for this over here. Whereas for this one here, what you can get is actually cos negative theta. This is the argument, right? The argument here is actually negative theta. Then the modulus, like I say, right, this one here is actually a modulus of 1, so you can just leave it as it is. So this is plus I sine minus theta, and what we're gonna get is actually just we know that sine minus theta is actually minus sine theta, right? So this is a very important property that we always use, and also cosine negative theta is actually cosine theta as such. So once we're done with that, we're just going to put cosine theta plus I sine theta plus cosine theta minus I sine theta. There you go. So this will be 2 cosine theta. Okay, so 2 cosine theta would then be here you go, this is real, so hence w plus iw is a real number. Okay, since imaginary part of w plus iw is equal to 0. Okay, you can just write this out. So this is how you do the part 1, part IA.